Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will perform experiment number 13 to calibrate the current transformer in electrical measurement system using method of transformer ratio. First of all, we need to know about the current transformer. What is this and how it behaves? A current transformer is a type of transformer that is used to reduce or multiply an alternating current. It produces a current in its secondary which is proportional to the current in its primary. Let us discuss the working operation of the current transformer. A current transformer is designed to maintain an accurate ratio between the currents in its primary and secondary circuits over a defined range. The alternating current in the primary produces an alternating magnetic field in the core, which then induces an alternating current in the secondary. The primary circuit is largely unaffected by the insertion of the current transformer. In this circuit, the main objective is to calibrate the current transformer in electrical measurement systems using method of transformer ratio. The apparatus we will be using is a current transformer and an NIL board for the function generator, oscilloscope and DMM purpose. This is the circuit diagram we will be implementing in the lab. We will be having a voltage source, a current transformer, a load, a voltmeter and ammeters in order to find the voltage and current. Let us start our today's experiment, that is experiment number 13 to calibrate the current transformer in electrical measurement systems using method of the transformer ratio. As we know that current transformer is used for the measurement of alternating current. We will be having a current transformer. Ideally we have 0 to 20 milliamperes or 4 to 20 milliampere current at the output side of the current transformer in electrical measurement systems. This is the circuit we will be implementing in the lab. You can see this is a AC voltage source, this is our load connected, and this is our CT. This is the primary and the secondary winding, and at the secondary we can measure our current. Next we have to fill up our table, that is containing voltage, primary current, secondary current, measured ratio and the percentage error. This yellow instrument is our current transformer. You can see it has two sides, one is primary and the other one is secondary. We have connected primary wire with the function generator and secondary with the oscilloscope for the output. At function generator we have applied a 200 Hz frequency, 1 volt peak to peak voltage. Let's run this and we can see 2.89 or round about 3.39 millivolts at the input after setting it 1 volt. Let us increase the voltage value and set it to 2 volts peak to peak. You can observe a change in the value of the output voltage, that is 4.52 milliamperes, and you can see also the set frequency at the bottom of the function generator screen. Now we will increase the voltage value. We will change it to 4 volts peak to peak and gradually increase the voltage. Now 5 volts peak to peak. We can observe a change in the output voltage, that is 8.9 something peak to peak millivolts, and now this is 10.8 peak to peak millivolts. You can see that increasing input you can observe a change in the output. In this experiment we have observed only the voltage change, but we also need to fill up the manual that is related to the primary and the secondary current. In a similar fashion, we can measure our current at the input and the output of the current transformer by taking the instrument launcher to the DMM mode, and then and then we will note down our input and output current, that is our primary and the secondary current, and then we can have our ratio and the percentage error. Thank you.